Welcome back to Master in the Garage. I'm Andrew. Today, we're going to get the car running. Oh, we've already done that. We're going to get the car driving. Yeah. All right, we're here at my friend's house with the only drill press that I could find. But it's gonna have to do. We're gonna do this in a few steps. Got the spacers with me. There they are. There's some more. There's one. I've already hammered out one of the studs. But we're gonna do this in 4 or 5 steps. So step 1 is to hammer out the studs. Step 2 is to drill out the spacers to make room for the new studs. Step 3 is to flip the spacers over, drill out the back side of the spacers, only a little bit, so that the back side of the stud clears the hole and is flush with the back side of the spacer. Step 4, drive the new studs into the spacers. And step 5, do that 19 more times. Sounds like oh, it shut off. Damn. It's having a rough time to get fuel. I think I need more fuel in the tank to go driving. To be continued. All right, I'm on my phone. It's probably been like a week or so. Haven't really had time to mess around with the fuel system, but figured out the problem. The fuel pump that's in the car, it works great for about 3 minutes. Then when it gets warm, it starts losing pressure real bad and starts making terrible noises. So, I went ahead and bought all the parts. That's why it's taking so long. And I put together this. It's got the level sensor on there, which is right there. Yeah, got a little level sensor. Got a Walbro pump. And it's got the hose. It's probably about 10.5 inches deep, and that's the right measurement for the tank. So anyways, I'm going to throw one of these where the inline fuel pump is right now, and then I will put that in the tank. And hopefully second test drive will work better. Well, I got her fixed. I think we have a little vapor lock issue. But she runs great. It's probably the best it's ever run. And I'm happy. I'm a happy Andrew. Need to anyways, yeah, that's going to be the end of this video, and I'm going to park it before I do something bad. Yo. All right, well, I'm parking it, and I'll see you guys next time. This has been another episode of Master None Garage. Keep on turning wrenches till you've done turning the wrenches some more. Bye. And subscribe!